To calculate how much tile you need for a bathroom floor, measure carefully and plan for waste. Start by measuring the length and width of the room at the finished floor surface and multiply those two numbers to get the total square footage. For irregular shapes, divide the floor into simple rectangles and triangles, measure each, then add the areas together. Subtract fixed non-tiled elements such as a bathtub apron or built-in cabinetry if they will not receive tile, but leave areas under vanities if tile will run there. Always add an overage of 10 to 15% to cover cuts, broken pieces, and pattern or color matching across batches. If you are using large format tile, remember to check for directional layout and include extra for tiles that may need to be cut to size at openings and around plumbing. For the cement board underlayment, calculate the same area but by full sheets, sized to minimize joints, and stagger joints so they do not line up with tile grout lines. Common mistakes include underestimating waste and running out mid-job, which stalls progress and can force a mismatched batch purchase. Prevent this by ordering an additional 10 to 15% and keeping the same lot number. Cutting errors and breakage are frequent when installers rush or use the wrong blade or scoring method. Slow down, score and snap, or use the correct wet saw blade and measure twice before each cut. Forgetting to account for material under fixtures or round cuts around pipes leads to shortfalls. Mark those areas on your plan, measure cut radii, and include them in the total area before adding waste. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project estimates for tiling and underlayment work. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where members share tips, measurements, and real-world installation advice.